In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create callout boxes in Notion. Callout boxes are a simple way to highlight important information so it stands out from the rest of your page. They're great for tips, reminders, warnings, or quick summaries, and they help readers scan your content faster. Let's walk through how to add one. Make it visually clear and position it exactly where you want. To create a callout box, start on a new line in your Notion page. Type /callout. That's / followed by the word callout and select the callout option that appears. If you prefer using menus, you can also open the plus menu on a new line and choose the callout block there. As soon as it appears, click into the callout and type your message. Keep the first sentence short and clear, so the purpose of the box is obvious at a glance. You can add more detail in the next line if needed. Next, let's make it stand out with color, so readers know it's special. Hover to the left of the callout until you see the 6-dot menu. Click those 6 dots, choose color, and then pick a background color you like, such as gray, blue, or yellow. Gray works well for neutral notes. Blue is great for info or references, and yellow is perfect for quick tips and reminders. Consistent color choices across your workspace will help readers instantly recognize what each callout means. If you are working with a team, consider agreeing on a simple color convention so everyone uses the same visual language. Now place your callout exactly where it belongs. Grab the same 6-dot handle and drag the entire block to move it anywhere on the page. You can drop it between sections, nest it in a specific part of your document, or even position it inside columns. If your page uses a multi-column layout, that's especially useful when you want a sidebar style tip next to your main content. You can also drag other blocks into the callout to group related items together. For example, you might pull in a short bullet list for key points, an image for context, or a few lines of text to expand on your note. When you drag something over the callout, look for the highlight that indicates it will be placed inside. And that's it. You've created a clear color-coded callout, positioned it where it's most helpful, and grouped any supporting content right inside. Use these boxes to guide attention, reduce clutter, and keep your pages scannable. Thanks for watching.